Many people try to lose weight quickly. They go on fad diets, they cut out entire food groups. This might work for a little while, but it's not sustainable. Sustainable weight loss is different. It's about making gradual changes. These changes should be ones you can maintain. It's about finding what works for you. This means listening to your body. It means making choices that support your overall health. Sustainable weight loss is not about deprivation. It's about nourishing your body. It's about feeling your best. This approach leads to lasting results. It's a journey, not a race. Fad diets promise quick fixes, but they rarely deliver lasting results. They often involve restrictive rules. These rules can be difficult to follow. Instead of dieting, focus on making gradual changes. Choose nutrient-rich foods. These foods include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. These foods provide your body with the nutrients it needs. They also help you feel full and satisfied. Make small changes over time. Swap sugary drinks for water. Choose whole grain bread over white bread. Add an extra serving of vegetables to your meals. Small changes add up. They lead to sustainable weight loss. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains are naturally low in calories. They are also high in fiber. Fiber helps you feel full and satisfied. It also aids digestion. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients support overall health. They can also protect against chronic diseases. Make plants the foundation of your diet. Aim to fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables at each meal. Choose whole grains over refined grains. Experiment with different types of legumes. Many people eat for reasons other than hunger. They may eat when they are stressed, bored, or tired. Mindful eating involves paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Before you eat, ask yourself if you are truly hungry. Rate your hunger on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being starving and 10 being overly full. Aim to eat when you are at a 3 or 4. Stop eating when you are at a 7 or 8. Avoid distractions while eating. Turn off the TV. Put away your phone. This will help you savor your food and recognize your fullness cues. All right, let's dive into getting moving and finding joy in physical activity. Regular exercise is, well, crucial for weight loss and overall health. You should aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. Find activities you enjoy. This could be anything from brisk walking to dancing to swimming. If you enjoy an activity, you're more likely to stick with it. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. And hey, listen to your body and rest when you need to. Section 5. Beyond the gym, making activity a part of life. You don't have to go to the gym to be active. Find ways to incorporate movement into your daily routine. Take the stairs instead of the lift. Walk or cycle to work or run errands. Stand up and move around every hour if you have a desk job. Even small amounts of activity can make a difference. Section 6. Sleep, stress, and support. The weight loss trifecta. Sleep deprivation, stress, and lack of support can sabotage your weight loss efforts. When you are sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol. Cortisol can lead to increased appetite and fat storage. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Manage stress through techniques like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends and family. Section 7. Navigating weight loss. Roadblocks, you've got this. Weight loss journeys are rarely linear. You may encounter setbacks along the way. Don't let setbacks discourage you. View setbacks as learning opportunities. Identify what triggered the setback and develop strategies to prevent it from happening again. Remember that progress, not perfection, is key. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Section 8. Embracing the journey. Your healthiest you awaits. Sustainable weight loss is a journey, not a destination. It's about making gradual, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. Focus on nourishing your body, moving your body, and managing stress. Celebrate your successes along the way. Believe in yourself. You have the power to achieve your weight loss goals and live your healthiest life.